Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today I'm at the Raiders Allegiant Stadium. It is Tuesday, July 28th, 2020. We are 3 days away from the substantial completion date of July 31st, 2020. So I'm on the Hacienda Bridge right now. You can see again they're getting everything cleaned up. See that they have all the outside perimeter is, they're cleaning it up right now. You could even see this piece of equipment here, and they even put the booties on the wheels, on the tires, so they don't leave any the hot rubber marks on the concrete. And then where right now they also have, you can see the cleaner in there. Looks like he's driving. I don't know if he's going on the pavers, the legacy bricks. Yeah, it looks like he is. Or right on the edge. So they're getting this north entrance all cleaned up. And you can see it's the Ford North entry. Then if we look up, so this is the main north entrance right here. You can see the one guy or a couple people there, but this will be the main, considered the main entrance of the stadium. This north entry side. So if we look up through the lanai door glass, you can see that they're trying out some of the different lights in there. You can see like the stadium lights on the side, but then they got these colored lights inside there that are, they're like going through the cycle of the different colors. So I do have some footage from July 28th of 2019. So I'll splice some of that in between here and there in this video, so you can see 1 year ago exactly what the difference is. And it's a big difference. If I'm not mistaken, I think August 5th last year was the top-off ceremony for the steel. I don't even think they had any of the panels until October going in, so there was no glass or panels yet in July of last year. Okay, I am now standing on the Hacienda Bridge. So this is the north side facing south. You can see there's the missing piece of the puzzle still. And we don't need everyone to start saying we're behind schedule if that's not up by the 31st. They're still on schedule. Still on schedule, and we still got the billboard up over here. They're coming, 2020. Alright, and then from here we can see we've got the video screen on top of the Ticketmaster booth. They're cycling through all the different colors, trying that out also. And then these billboards, they have stuff on them. You can't see them from here. As I'm walking down, I'll show you what they did. Alright, I'm going to start walking around. Okay, I'm still on Hacienda. The guy's still flying this drone around over here. Alright, but what I want to show you is the billboards. They're finally complete now. So look at this end, we got a big Raider shield. They did have one on the one like by the southeast entrance. I noticed that last week. But this one, they didn't have it up. Even as of yesterday, it was off. So that's the billboard right on the corner of L. Davis Way and Dean Martin Drive. And then if we look at the big Yesco sign there, they still didn't put the shield up on that one. But then they have this other billboard. This is the one that's close to the giant Prism View media mesh screen. And you can see they got another shield on that one. So all three of these two-sided billboards have the big Raiders logo, and they're all facing in towards the stadium, so you don't see it when you're driving by on the freeway. So on the freeway, the only ones you'll really notice are these ones on the Yesco sign, because they're going to be on each side there. But good, we're getting some more shields. All right, let me make my way down. I'm gonna go towards we're gonna check out the media mesh screen, see how that's coming. All right, we're right at the main entrance, north entry. So that's the only gate open right now, this main one. They're really pushing to clean everything. You can see they got the little boxes, they're throwing everything in there, all the old signs, exit signs and stuff, and getting cleaned up. We even got garbage cans out here. You can see there's a bench right next to that one. And then over there by the flagpoles, you can see the other bench, garbage cans. Come over here, billboard again. There you go, we got the shield. All right, so I was just talking to Jason from 29 Palms. He's out here for a few days checking out the stadium. Good talking to you, Jason, you and your son. Hopefully you get out here for a game. So this is down L. Davis Way. They're starting to clean up all the street area. They had a lot of storage and stuff. And now you can see they're cleaning it up. They got the one dumpster down there. They're cleaning out everything. So. It's a little close-up view of the beast there. If you spend some time out here like I do when I'm walking around filming, you know, I mean, it's no surprise, but this is a major tourist attraction already. I mean, I know a lot of Raiders fans are stopping by, a lot of people taking pictures, and, you know, a lot of California cars. So it's pretty cool. Everyone I talk to is just amazed seeing it in person here. You know, watching it on my videos and everyone else's videos, it doesn't do it justice. I see a lot of comments where people say it's small and stuff, but if you're ever around Vegas, make sure you stop by and see the stadium. By the Yesco sign on Dean Martin. Waiting for the shield. Hopefully they get it in before the 31st. And you can see they got all the protective film off of this. This would be the north side of the sign. south down Dean Martin. Video board. See how they're just running it through the test mode. There we go, guys. Now it's getting official. This is the Yes Go sign. Alright, so this is the south side. We got the still going on. Looks good. We can see this side, they don't have all the protective film off. So this sign appears to be just like the ones they put on the headquarters, where it's more like a film. You can see how they cut around the edges like to fit it in there. Got it on the sign. We don't have it on here except for over the Raider Image Store. So they have been working on getting all the cable guides around this side of the stadium. Can't see it from this angle, but I'll go down and get some other angles. But they're putting the cable guides around on the inside opening of the canopies. Then we got over here, it's hard to see the beast from here. It's behind this crane that's standing. So my last video showed the beast and Jaws laying on the ground. So the beast is still here, but it looks like they're taking them apart. Not much left of it. When I go around the other side, we'll get a better view of it. So then you can see this elevator on the outside here. They did extend it, so now it does go all the way up to the roof area, because they have been putting some like the corrugated steel on top, like a decking. So I guess this will get the guys up there and, you know, everything they need. Alright, we're getting closer to the medium S screen. They still haven't done anything with these edges here, top or bottom. And we still got this gap. There are a few different crews. I can see three, it looks like three from here that are working on it, so. Let me get the straight on view so we can see what they're doing. These guys here working. There you go, you can see how they just push them up into place. Somehow they snap out. You can see they got that. Zoom in, there's like that. Now we can't see it. There was like a little rope or something. Try to get them together. Alright, and then we got the gap again. Not sure exactly what's going on with this, but you can see they got a lot of wiring and stuff hanging out. I personally think everything's going to get, they're going to put something in here. You can't see they built this whole place and then they can't get the screen to be meshed together, so time will tell. Okay, here's straight on of the giant video board, the Prism View Media Mesh. I'm going to show, if we look north of here, they got the big sign, and then from here you can see the Raiders shield behind that palm tree. I would think they'll have this one and the north side up today. Alright, Raider Nation, if you're not subscribed and you want to get updates about the stadium and the headquarters, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Duntov67. So everybody stay safe. Thanks for watching. And I'll talk with you guys next time.